Alright, in this video, I'll show you guys how to add a appointment booking app in Shopify store. Okay, so first thing, you want to create your Shopify store. It's basically in sign up. You just click sign up with your Google. And now once you're here, it's going to bring you to this home page and just click add app. Alright, once you're here, don't click anything else. You see this get more recommendations in the Shopify app store. Click that. Wait for it to load. And now you're here. Don't and just go to the search bar and type in booking app. Alright, once you're here, you want to go to the first one or the second one, but I prefer the first one. Once you're here, you'll have to follow all the instructions here, and the pricing is $0 for like unlimited services and stuff. But if you want to like upgrade to a pro or premium or advanced, it's gonna cost money. So so now you want to click install. Now once you're here, you can edit like whatever you want on here, but then you can edit whatever you want, but just click install. Alright, now you have the app downloaded. Now just go to services, just add products or whatever you want, or whatever you want to do with your Shopify store. And here's booking. You can create a new booking of whatever you want. And yeah, here's our other stuff that you can use. Alright, now that you have it, just click get started and just follow all these instructions to get a Shopify booking. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.